In this short video, I'll show you how to configure Google Drive download node using n8n. This one, I already have my workflow ready, but basically what you need to make sure is that you get the options right in order for the nodes to work. And that particularly is Google Drive trigger and the Google Drive download node. First, let's go to the Google Drive trigger right here and make sure that your credentials are correct. As for me, it's this one, so I'll select this one. At the bottom, the trigger on, I'll choose changes involving a specific folder since we're going to be looking for the update folders in the Google Drive. So let's select a folder that we can use as an example. I'll choose this one, the n8n example, and let's give it a function for the node. For this one, since it's just a trigger, we will use to watch folder update. That's one. So when it notices something new in the folder that we selected, it'll start to trigger. Once that's done, let's go to the other file, the download file basically. Again, credentials, very important. For the resource, let's select file. And we can choose what operations do we, the options that we have. I'll go ahead and, as an example, select the download one, the operations. And from the list right here, let's select the folder name again that we have on our trigger. It was an example for me. Let's give it a sec to load, and there it is. Oh, let's click it right here. There we go. Once that's done, you can go ahead and escape, and we'll basically test it by uploading a file. Let's go to my Google Drive, and as you can see here, this is the file. I'll upload a file inside it as an example, something like this one, CSV. There you go. It's there's a file now in my folder. Let's go back to my workflow and let's test the workflow. Let's run it. All right, everything seems to be in order. So now if we were to open the download file node, there we go. The file that we've downloaded was been read, and there's an option now for us to download it via n8n. Now you know how to configure Google Drive download node using n8n. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.